Okay, I've got to, I want to trim this edge up a little bit so it's uniform. I'm going to cut this off right here, along here, from about maybe there to there, and about ½ inch so that this edge will be uniform with this edge, so it's got to get cut off here. So for that I'm going to use my angle grinder, and I want to get this concrete wet. It rained last night. Let's get some water on that sucker. Alright, let's see what's going on here. Turn it on. Alright, see if we can get this done here. I gotta adjust that blade a little bit. Okay, now we can try it, I think. Keep some water in there, make it easier to cut. Get this in here. That's a bit. So this cement is working out a lot better. So I got this area patched up here. I got 2 more spots to patch up, and then I can lay in the weed barrier edging.